Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain that how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Before further any delay, let's do it. First of all, open your Instagram account. After opening your Instagram account, go to that profile option. After coming to profile option, click on three dot option. Now click on setting and privacy option. After coming to privacy option, click on account center. After clicking here, come down. After coming here, click on personal detail option. Here you can find account ownership and control. Click on it. Here you find deactivate or deletion. So click on it. Here you can find that your account is here. Now click on your account. Here it is giving you two options: deactivate your account and delete your account. If you want to deactivate it, then you will be able to reopen it after some time. But if you click on delete account, you will not be able to use it again. So if you want to delete it permanently, so click on delete account option. Then click on continue option. Now here choose any reason. For example, I choose this create a second account. You can use any choice. You can choose anything. Now click on continue. Now continue. Now it's asking for your password. Enter your password. After entering your password, click on continue option. Here you can see it's giving you the option of delete account. If you want to delete it, click on it. You can see that your account is permanently deleted.